What's up, guys? Today, the two opposite gamers are back, and today, guys, we're gonna do the 5.0 challenge against the training camp. Why not here? Because we're gonna need it demolished. So, we're gonna do this against training camp, and then we're gonna do, I think, the most expensive deck. And yeah, guys, let's see what we can do. So, let's start off very hard. Giant balloon. I remember, like, a long time ago, that was so epic. But now it's not, because nobody uses it. Nobody likes the balloon. Everybody hates him. What? Why do you just put arrows? That's a tower down. Don't you know that? Or not, because the archer went for the balloon, whatever. Come on, balloon. I believe in you. I have faith. Well, I really don't have faith in the balloon. He's so bad. But whatever. Hey, you got to the king. What? No, you barbarians. I never, like, usually do never use the, oh wait, no. I usually never use the barbarians, but today, we're gonna use them, because they're cannibals. So let's see. We have level 8 barbarians sprinting down the rain, doing 100 meters at 500 seconds. As you know, they're so bad sprinting. But hey, they got there. Hey, no, dummy, wizard, nice. Actually, the wizard is doing a lot of damage. Okay, come on. Giant! For the win! I wish we can, like, laugh at the training camp. That would be so epic. Okay, now we just need something to put on the cake. That was our victory. Balloon! Go put the cake! No. The whatever. Look, there's a hot water here. He's laughing at us. Let's laugh back. No! That's a tower! Seriously? Really? Oh, we're already 3 crowns. What? Okay, guys. Now we're gonna try the opposite. What I mean like that is like my elixir. And I mean like the mirror is like, you can say it's no, you can say whatever. It's like 0 for 9, right? Then I'll take the ice spirit for the golem. Wow, this is expensive. Then the zap, and then the or P.E.K.K.A. or this. I think I'll go with the P.E.K.K.A. And 3. What's 3 here? Okay, this is actually a pretty good 3. 4, 6. What's 6 here? I only have it like level 6, but that doesn't really matter against the training camp. So 4.7 elixir. Let's get right into the battle, guys. We're against Trainer Jason. He's so a Jason. And we have with our level 6, but prepared elite barbarian. So, come on, okay. Okay, look at this guy. Look at this. Look at this. No, what are you putting the barbarians? No, I hate you. Why are you putting harder at the back? What the hell? This trainer is dumb. Very dumb. Oh, we can mirror elite barbarians if we want it. But now we don't have enough elixir. No! I need the elixir! Okay, I'll just put the P.E.K.K.A. on the giant. Whatever. I thought that will actually go very down. Like, very low. But come on, P.E.K.K.A. You're level 1 or 2. I don't really remember. Come on, P.E.K.K.A. Tank. Ooh, let's see if we can put it down in Elite Barbarian. That would be so epic. And we're not in double elixir. Okay, come on! Push the P.E.K.K.A. Victory! I want victory! Nothing less than victory would be okay. Come on! Nice! But we also have a tower down, which is not the best. But his king tower is gonna go down! Zap! Nice! Okay, guys, the training cap is so bad. So, actually, yeah, that was first. So, now let's do the cheapest that we can. Wow, okay. Skeletons, mirror, P.E.K.K.A. Fire Spirit, Rage. Okay, this is super cheap. Ice Golem, Spear Goblins, and yeah, 1.7 elixir. Let's get right into it. Okay, I don't really know how much to spam, but boom, 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 boom. Whatever. Come on. Zap. Will that be a tower down? Probably not, but still, it's a lot of chip damage. Yeah. Let's see. What is this guy doing? If you hear something like a microphone, I don't really know what it is, but it's pretty annoying. What? Whatever, guys. This game. What is he doing? Oh, it's more than like the computer, but still, what is he doing? Come on. Wait, look at this, guys. No! Out of here. Out of here. I don't want you. Get out of here. It's my territory. Come on. Nice. Rage. Well, we don't have so much electric, so. You know what, guys? Let's mirror them. This is a hard decision, but we decided to mirror them. If we now add a zap or error, we're done for it. But we're not! Wow, really? What is he doing? Okay. We need to get ready with our rage. Rage! Come on! Wow. That was good arrows. Wow. That was bad. Okay. Spear Goblins! Force a W! Come on! Wow, they're terrible. Who knew Spear Goblins can be so annoying? And so bad. Wow, that was a terrible zap. Or not. Ice Golem, Ice Spirit, Fire Spirits. What? No! Okay, we need Fire Spirit right now, like. No! Out of here! Out of here! We're alive! We're alive! What? No, now we're not gonna be alive. What is that noise? I don't really know. Sorry if you hear the noise, but I don't really know what it is, and I can't control it. Let's see what we can do here. Come on! Take them out! Take the dummies out! What is that noise? Wow, this is annoying. Probably someone working here. Sorry guys if it's annoying you, but yeah, it's annoying! Be quiet up! Whatever! Even my dog here is like... What? What is this? There's a ghost! What the heck? What is going on, guys? PewDiePie is invading us! What the? Look how many Spear Goblins! What? Come on! The Spear Goblin challenge! Spear Goblins! What? No! No! Rage! Go! What is that noise? What? What? So guys, I'm gonna end the video right now because this noise is very annoying. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to go down in the comments and say, what the fuck is this noise? And yeah guys, until the next video, peace out.